Refrigerators, hair dryers, Xboxes, and PS3s, heck, even the device you're watching this on right now. They all rely on one thing to work: circuits. But what are circuits? The word circuit comes from the Latin circumere, to go around. Like horses going around a track, we have electrons going around a circuit. But that begs the question, what are electrons? Electrons are tiny particles that live inside of atoms and carry a charge. Charge comes in two flavors, positive and negative. Electrons have negative charge. Like charges attract and unlike charges repel. If you give it a closed path, then charge can start flowing, much like water through a river. The flow of charge is called current. Of course, charge won't flow for no reason. It needs a difference in voltage. Voltage is a sort of electrical pressure. Electrons normally spread out as much as they can due to their like charges. So when you press them together, they try to go somewhere less packed, to a lower voltage. Now it's not enough to just have charge flowing. Like how we use a windmill to harness a river, we use circuit elements to harness current. One such element is the battery. A battery is a source of voltage. Chemical reactions inside of a battery free up electrons. Connect the battery to a circuit and they start to flow out. Of course, once the chemicals driving the reaction run out, the flow stops. Second, we have the resistor. Some things, conductors, let charge through very well. Some things, insulators, prevent charge from going through at all. Resistors are half and half. They slow the charge passing through them, like this squeezed pipe. Finally, we have the capacitor. A capacitor is like a storage unit for voltage. The more you can put into it, the more voltage you get. Of course, it needs an insulator to keep the charge in, and it can only take so much. Put in too much and the capacitor is suddenly and violently destroyed. This is called dielectric breakdown. So, now you know a thing or two about circuits. If you'd like to know more, you can go to your local library. Now get out there and make the next light bulb.